check this out. Well, it's no secret I'm getting a little older. Check out the gray in the beard, but I'm doing everything I can to hold on to my hair, keep it looking good. And so I've actually stepped up my hair care routine a little bit recently and have picked up a few products, including this Folicare hair care treatment serum, and have absolutely loved it. If you've never used one of these, especially dudes out there, if you've never used one of these, what this is, it contains a ton of different oils to help promote good, thick, undamaged hair. This kind of works by, actually, you got to get it into your scalp. A lot of times the issues with some of these is people use this and just use it on top of the hair. The goal is to get it onto the scalp. And so you kind of section your hair off, your head off into 4 different areas, drop a little on the scalp in each of those areas and massage it in and leave it. Now this is filled with like jojoba oil, coconut oils, biotin, collagen, rosemary extract. And by the way, that rosemary extract, it smells so good. And you just kind of, you massage it into the scalp and you leave it in, and you are good to go. Overall, I've really loved it. Seems to be leaving my hair thicker, feeling better, less damaged. So I'm gonna keep going with this. If that's something you're interested in and you want maybe to try it out, I think you're gonna love it.